Hello again to Dr. Schaden's Kitchen Wonder. Today I show you how I prepare a turkey fillet in a blend of European and Asian cuisine. You need rice, the turkey fillet, peanut oil, salt, chili, pepper, creme fraiche, Kurkuma, curry, and a banana each, which you cut this way and you fry it at the very end. First thing is to prepare the gravy for the curry, and what you can do, you simply take this ready-made gravy and put it into water and heat it up and certainly stir it. Put the creme fraiche into the gravy. And again, stir it. Next step is to put curry into the gravy. You can use a lot of curry. Stir it. You can put the turkey fillets into this pot. You can see now it has the typical nice brown color, the turkey fillet, how it should be. Approximately 2 minutes on each side. Then you reduce the heat in the pan and put that banana into the peanut. Into the peanut. Last step, and don't forget to put the lid on the pan. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the dish is ready. I simply call it turkey fillet with fried banana,